All right, everyone, let's learn the cha-cha. We have 4 at the top, starting on the right foot. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left. 2 more. Right. And left. Great. Pressing back. We have 4, 3, 2, 1. Pivot around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake, 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 shake. That whole section repeats to the left side. Let's start on the left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press back. Left, right, left, right. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake, 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 shake. Moving on, we have the heels. Heel, 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 toe, heel. 3 more. Good. 2 more. Next section coming up is scoop. We're going to dig the right heel front. 5, 6, 7, dig. Dig, and dig, and dig, and dig. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. We're going to hop in a circle to the left. We go. Hop, 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 punch. We have 3 more. Hop, 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 punch. Make sure you hit the diagonal. Last 1, 7, 8. Good. The last and final step, we travel to the right. Heel in, heel out, heel in, scuff open. Again, the diagonal. To the left. In, out, in, diagonal. In, out, in, diagonal. In, out, in, diagonal. Great job. Let's try it a little bit faster. I'm going to give you the tempo. 5, 6, from the top. 1, 2. 2 more. Pressing back on the right. Press, press, press. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake, shake. Left, cha-cha. Left, right. 2 more. Left, right. Press back. Left. Pivot. And shake. Heels are next. Heel, 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 toe, heel. Good. 2 more. Scoops. Dig and dig, dig and dig. 4, 3, circles are next. Left. Punch, punch, punch. Travel right. In and out and in and out and in and out and in and out and in. Great job. Now you're ready for the workout.